More UK deportees to arrive in Jamaica this December.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, Jamaica will in a matter of days welcome more involuntary returnees from the United Kingdom, even as lobbyists attempt to put a halt to the plans. Somewhere in the region of 50 people are being readied by the Home Office to be deported, but the plans are already facing a backlash, with a number of UK-based action groups protesting the planned mass deportation. A source within the Ministry of National Security has confirmed that the flight is to take place in the first half of December, but was unable to state how many people will be deported. It is believed that several of the people to be deported had a stay granted at the last minute from a charter flight earlier this year. In February of this year, 17 deportees landed at the Norman Manley International Airport. But now, with increased COVID-19 cases and the virus now well into the community spread phase, there is serious concern for the returnees, some of whom might be homeless or have tenuous family ties. Meanwhile, over in the UK, some 82 black public figures, including celebrities, have joined the protest to stop the deportation flight to Jamaica. The plane is scheduled to leave the United Kingdom on Wednesday, the 2nd of December. Now among the celebrities are supermodel Naomi Campbell, who is of Jamaican parentage, historian David Olusoga, actresses Tandai Newton and Naomi Harris, as well as writer Bernardine Evaristo. They, along with campaigners, have been urging airlines that have previously allowed such charter flights to refuse any assistance to the UK government. The issue has been trending on social media platforms, primarily Twitter, since the announcement earlier this week under the hashtag #StopThePlane. The British Home Office has said that the flight will deport convicted murderers and rapists. Now, under the UK law, a foreign national who has been convicted of an offence and who has received a custodial sentence of 12 months or more can be eligible for deportation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!